Up YouTube, like, comment, share, subscribe. Today we about to do 50 push-ups straight. Let's go. Smelling the air. No air pods or nothing. No technology. In the grass. With nature. Like God intended it to be. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There was diamonds basically. I'm just doing different variations. It's an easy, lazy way to do a lot of push-ups. Still works. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 30 more. I'll be on some of the rocks. Why not? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! 20 more, guys. 20 more. I'm gonna give y'all the trick push-ups. One hand in the front, one hand in front of my head, one hand on the side of my chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The last 10, guys. Don't give up. This hand by the chest, left hand by the chest now, other hand above the head. 10 more, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo. Like, comment, share, subscribe.